Want to publish a Practice Better page on WordPress but don't know where to start? Stick around and I'll walk you through it in a quick, easy tutorial that'll have you up and running in no time. First things first, if you've already got Practice Better set up, you're a step ahead. But if you're just starting, you'll want to make sure your Practice Better account is active and that your settings are properly configured. Once that's done, we can move on to the publishing process. Next thing, head over to your WordPress dashboard. You'll want to create a new page for your Practice Better content. To do that, navigate to Pages and then select Add New. Here, you'll create your title, and this is where you'll want to include keywords like Practice Better to help with SEO. Keep in mind, the title should clearly reflect what you're offering, something like My Practice Better Services or Book a Session through Practice Better. Now, let's add the embed code. To do this, you'll need to go back to Practice Better and find the page or feature you want to embed. Once you've selected it, Practice Better gives you an embed code, typically in a frame. Copy that code, head back to your WordPress page, and in the page editor, click on the Text tab. This will allow you to paste the code directly into the page's HTML. It's a simple step, but one that can trip people up if you're not familiar with the backend of WordPress. Next thing, customize your page. This is where you can add extra details like a description of what you're offering or any special instructions for your clients. You can also format this however you like, using the WordPress block editor. You can add text, images, or even other elements like buttons to make it more engaging. Once that's all set up, make sure to preview your page. You'll want to make sure everything is displayed properly and that the Practice Better content is showing up as expected. Double check for any errors and tweak your page for any final adjustments before publishing. Now, here's the fourth thing, publishing your page. Once you're happy with how everything looks, hit the Publish button. Your Practice Better page is now live on WordPress. But before you leave, here's something to consider. While Practice Better is a great tool for integrating your services, it's not the only option out there. There are alternatives that might better suit your needs depending on your specific goals. For example, if you're looking for something with even more flexibility, consider using platforms like Acuity Scheduling or Calendly. These offer great customization, scheduling integration, and automation that might be more beneficial for certain businesses. While Practice Better focuses on health and wellness practitioners, Acuity Scheduling, for instance, offers a wide range of features that work for more general use cases. Finally, the video mentioned that we have an exclusive and extended free trial for Practice Better through our link. But I've also included some amazing alternatives that might better fit the goal of easily integrating scheduling and services into your WordPress site, and they come with free trials as well. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, there you have it. Publishing a Practice Better page on WordPress is simple, but make sure you explore other platforms too, because you might find something that fits your needs even better. Happy publishing!